Hi teachers, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Writable integration in Schoology to make easy assignments. Please note that you need to have connected your Schoology to Writable account using our previous video. Once you've done that, now you're ready to learn how to create Writable assignments right within Schoology. Or if you prefer the Writable platform, you can also create the assignments right within Writable and have them go over to Schoology as well. It's up to you. We're going to check out both ways, but first we're going to start in Schoology. As always, I'm starting in the MCS app portal and clicking on Schoology. From there, I'll navigate to the course that I would like to create a Writable assignment in, and I'll come into my Add Materials menu. At the very bottom of this menu on the right-hand side is our new Writable integration. You can click on that, and Writable will launch. Provided you've already connected your account, you will be brought right into Writable, and you can create an assignment. This is going to open up a new window for you, and you will create the assignment just like usual. For now, let's go ahead and do a read-write essay. I'm going to use Writable's AI suggestions to pick my prompt and assign this to my students. We'll just walk through the steps really quickly. As we're finished walking through the steps, we're going to go ahead and give this assignment a title. And click Finish. Once I'm done, the tab is automatically going to close and redirect me back to Schoology, where I can finalize my assignment settings, including the submission type, which we will stick with writing here, and any student settings you'd like to set, including the ability to self-review, peer review, run an originality check, and any of the other features. You'll then finalize this by setting this point value of the assignment and click Select Assignment. And just like that, I have a new Writable assignment for my students. Once I have student submissions, I can click on this to grade them. Now I want to show you the reverse. I want to show you how to use Writable to create an assignment in Schoology while all staying within Writable. So I've signed into my Writable account, and I can see that Halloween essay that I already set up for my students in Schoology. I want to make a new assignment. Once I'm ready to create an assignment, I'll go ahead and click Create. I've already connected my Schoology account, so it's going to be easy to send this right to my students. I want to get started today with a high five quick write. We're going to generate a fall-themed prompt. I'm going to use the AI suggestion to refine this. I like this prompt, so we'll go ahead and pick this. And we are going to continue. Once I have the assignment built, I can go ahead and assign it to my Schoology classes. I've already connected to my Schoology account, so this should be easy. I'm just going to click the Assign button and find my Schoology class here. But first I might have to pick the grade level appropriate. Once I pick the grade level, I can go ahead and choose the class and click Next. From there, I'll configure any of the assignment settings that I would like and change the point value. We'll make this one worth 5 points. And click Assign. Since this is my first time using the originality check, I'll go ahead and agree to these terms of service. And that assignment has been pushed to my students. I can see it's been pushed to my students because I'll see the name of the Schoology course this was assigned to, and I can click on this to review student work. As I enter scores here, those scores will automatically be sent over to Schoology. And there you have it. You can create Writable assignments any way you like, right from within Schoology or right from within Writable, and grade anywhere you want. Scores will show up right in Schoology, ready to sync to PowerSchool. For more information about Writable itself, please contact Amy Phillips or Rachel Howenstein. Thanks for watching.